Hello everyone. In this video, I will talk about insects. Insects are the kind of animals. They crawl on leaves. They fly through the air. They dig in the ground. Insects are practically everywhere. They prefer to live in warm areas. It can be found in all over the world. Oh, look at this. Look. What is this? It's honeybee. It has yellow and black in color. Oh, look at this. It's grasshopper. No. This is not grasshopper. This is called praying mantis. It has green color and look like grasshopper. Oh no, what is this? It has red color with black dot. It's look beautiful. Yes, it's a ladybug. It's look very pretty. Now let's see the next insect. What is this? Yes, it's beetle. It's also look very beautiful. Beetle. Its name is beetle. Now we are going to the next insect. Yes. Let's see. It's spider. Spider look very scary. Praying mantis. Praying mantis have three main body parts similar to other insects: head, thorax, and abdomen. Mantises can change color according to temperature. Cockroach. Cockroaches looks very scary. Cockroaches have a flat oval body that is black or brown in color. They also have long legs, wings, antennae, and compound eyes. Spider. Spider has 8 legs and more than 2 eyes. It has a silk gland in its body from which they makes the web. There are around 48,000 species are found. Ladybug. They differ in size, color, and type of habitat. It has red color body covered with black dots. Ladybird is a symbol of good luck in some part of the world. Beetle. Beetle are really love to collect waste. Most beetle eat plants, but there are some species that eat dead animals. Honeybee. Honeybee are generally yellow and black in color. The average lifespan of honeybees is up to 170 to 180 days only. They collect the nectars from flowers. Thank you everyone for encouraging, subscribing and watching. Thanks a lot.